Hello YouTube, today's day 2 of the trailer build. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a good opportunity to get out here and enjoy the weather. Today I'll be doing fitting up the steel, cutting some 45s, and possibly doing a little welding, a little tack welding, squaring everything up, measuring up for the axle and where the wheels are going to go on. And that's pretty much it. Here's the steel trailer frame that's going to be cut today, and maybe I'll get a chance to do some welding on it, fit it up. Got the springs over here and part of the trailer, and these are the rims I'm putting on it. Finished cutting up the 45-degree angles. Is take you around and show you the cuts. I got the axle lying on there. I think that's the position I want to have it at, because some of the load's going to be farther back in this trailer since it's a camper. The other thing I need to do is just tack up the welds, check diagonals for square, and then tack it up. I'm going to take you on a little tour. I have the frame welded up pretty much. I have 2 more welds to do, and I'm going to start cutting the corner gussets for reinforcement. I started cutting some of the center gussets. They're basically 45 triangles. They're about 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. I would take you around and show you the corner gussets. They're tacked in. Basically give the trailer some stability from side to side motion when it's off-road. And they help strengthen the frame. Put in some of the gussets and tacked them down and finished welding some of the stuff up. And I'm coming in for lunch now. I got hungry. It's time to eat. So I'm going to kind of go over what I'm going to have for lunch. What I got here is all the fixings to make an egg sandwich. And the things I like on my egg sandwich. I got an English muffin here. I'm going to put these in the toaster, and I'll put it down in a minute once the egg's cooking. And then here I have some frozen hash brown patties. And what I like to do is I put them in the toaster too, and I put them on bagel setting, and then you have to go through 3 cycles before they're done. And then I make some special sauce. I make some special sauce for the hash browns. I take a little ketchup, and I mix it with some malt vinegar and make like a special salt, and also some pink Himalayan sea salt. It gives a really nice topping for the hash browns. So what I usually like on my egg sandwiches is I got some Havarti Wisconsin cheese, some red onion, some dill pickle slices, the kosher, the kind you have to keep in the refrigerator. This is some venison sausage, and I usually throw those in the pan and just heat them up a little bit on medium, turn them over. Then I got some pickled beetroot, And then I put some yellow mustard on that. I usually cook the egg in peanut oil. You can use butter, olive oil, bacon grease, whatever you like. That's how I like my sandwiches. Here's how I make the special sauce again. I put a little ketchup in a bowl, and then I'll put a little bit of just about like that much malt vinegar, and then put a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. Put that in there, grind it up. I prefer the pink kind. Get a little more minerals that way. Then basically just take a spoon and you'll or a fork or whatever you have, mix it up. Put it on your hash browns when your hash browns are done. Kind of makes a fancy ketchup. Here's how I assemble the sandwich. I put I had the English muffin on the bottom, then the cheese, and then the summer sausage, and then I always apply the mustard to the meat, and then you put the egg on there, and then I like to have just a little more mustard on there. Then you got the red onions. Some people call them purple onions, but they're purple colored, but I think the technical name is red. And then you got the pickled beets here. If I have to use my hands, I'm going to eat it anyway. And right there you got, okay, that's one heck of an egg sandwich right there. You can get a good look at that. See how it's stacked up. Okay, it looks like the toaster's done. I'm going to get these hash browns out of here with these tongs. But remember, never put these inside because the electrodes, you might get electrocuted. So what I do is I manually, I pop them up and I catch them one at a time like that and put them on the tray there, and you're good to go. And push the toaster back. What I eat with my lunch, or what I drink with my lunch, is I like to have a nice drink that's healthy for you. So I take a lime, and I have this orange powder drink that's, I mean, it doesn't taste like real orange juice, but when you put a lime in it and mix it up, it gives you some more vitamin C and the minerals and nutrients in the lime, and it makes it taste like it's real orange juice, almost with a little lime flavor. And that's what I usually drink with my lunch sometimes.